Hey guys, Cameron over at 816 Diesel, bringing you a cold start walk around video. This is like take 3. I had people show up and then I had a guy start mowing the lawn next to me. So take 3 cold start walk around. We got a 2015 Ford F250 crew cab short bed. Got a remote start on it, so we're going to be remote starting it. We haven't driven it at all today, but it has started a couple of times. The truck's mechanically sound. I stand behind it. There's nothing cold or warm you're going to be missing on this. It's a 2015 6.7 Powerstroke. Got a few goodies going on, so we're going to jump right in and kind of go over what's happening here. The door's unlocked for us. XLT FX4 with a lot of great options for a work truck. Cloth seat belts for 6, center jump seat, cold AC. Got some miles on her. 235,969 on the miles. Don't let it scare you. This thing is a 2015. It drives like a 2015. Someone's worked it, but they took amazing care of it. It's a one-owner rig, 6.7 Powerstroke. Mechanically, it's 100% bone stock. Cosmetically, everything you see that's aftermarket, we just did this week, so everything is brand new. The truck pulls like a freight train. I got a 22-foot pull behind camper, and I've used this to pull it around a little bit just to see. It's got the air brake on it, which is really nice. Factory trailer brakes, aux switches, cup holder. It's got sync. So this has some high-end options for a work truck. Sync, the trailer brakes, the air brake, and now it's got a backup camera, and it comes in on the reverse there, but I just get a blue picture. It worked when I got it. It's been blue for a while. I don't know if this rain we got this week, we got some torrential flooding in Kansas City, but I don't know if that's it or what. Other than that, super nice truck. Not a lot of bad to show you. It's got 230,000 miles. Now, it hasn't been wrecked, it hasn't been beat up, but it's been worked, you know, so it's got some dings, little paint chips, scuffs, but nothing terrible. Pretty clean for a 15 model still. So we're gonna pop the hood, go around it. Not a lot to see, not a lot to show, but a couple of cool goodies that we're gonna be going over here. Let me hop out, unlock the doors, and pop the hood here. Like I said, under the hood, stock, 6.7 Powerstroke, still has an EGR, DPF exhaust, takes exhaust fluid, passes inspection, stock intake. Nothing special to see here as far as mechanical goes. We've serviced it. It's 100%, checks out on a scanner, no check engine lights. Very minimal light blow by. It's just condensation actually, it's not even blow by. Nice coolant levels, no pressure in the hose. Everything you want to see. Just looks good, sounds good, drives good. As far as upgrades go, we got a custom set of headlights here that are RGB SMD LED color shift Wi-Fi adapted headlights. So I'm using them on my phone. I can't show you what they look like, but if you want more info on them, we've got other trucks that have them. You can go through our profile, or you can message me and I can send you a video of the headlights in action, like in the dark, so you can see them better. But you just hook up your phone to them on Bluetooth. You can change them any color you want, strobe them, flash them, dance them to the music. Fog light truck, tow hooks, chrome front bumper, chrome grill, FX4, so it's got the Rancho shocks and skid plates and everything. Wheel wise, I think these are beautiful. You've seen these in polished on some of our other trucks, but they're the Cali Summits, black and milled, 22x12, -51 offset, 35x1250, 22-inch amp terrain gripper tires. I mean, look how much lip these things have. It's my whole hand practically. Real nice gloss black and milled. I mean, these wheels are beautiful. Brand new tires, 40,000 mile tread warranty. We upgraded LEDs, smoked mirror lenses. Other than that, we got a smoked third brake and smoked taillights, and that's all we really did to this truck. Tinted the windows up. Nice solid cab corner, looks original. A little bit of surface rust. It's not rusting or rotting away or anything. It's just a little bit of rust on the surface. I'm sure it'd come right off. Frame rails nice and straight. They're not crumbling, or they got some surface rust on them, but they're nice, straight, firm bed rails. got the step tailgate, and like I said, it has a backup cam, smoked LED third brake, FX4 off-road package, Super Duty inlay lettering, tow package in the back. It might just be a connection issue. I don't know if the camera itself is giving out on that backup cam. Whole system works and responds. I just haven't got a picture in a while. Stock exhaust, like I said, DPF, DEF, everything's still intact. I mean, there is not a lot to report back as far as damage. It's a clean truck. There's nothing really bad going on with it. It's a little dirty. It's been used to work, and that's about it. Some weird little scrapes in there. Same thing over here. 100% perfect cab corner and rocker, solid. Very light peppering of surface rust, if you will. Guys, this truck speaks for itself. 2015 Powerstroke, great set of wheels and tires. I mean, clean, nice, turnkey, ready to work, whatever you want. It's going to be one of the cheapest 2015s on the market. I know it has some miles. Do not let that scare you. Like I said, I personally pulled my camper with this truck. You didn't even know it was back there. So, heck of a deal. If you're interested, we're down here in Kansas City, Missouri, 816 Diesel. Head over to my website right now. Check us out, 816diesel.com. You're going to find pictures, pricing, VIN number, modification specs, anything you're going to need is on the website. If you want to get a hold of us direct, call the shop, 816-298-7030. Best way to get a hold of me is my cell phone. Hit me up direct, text, call, doesn't matter, 913-735-3748. My name's Cameron. I'm happy to set an appointment, answer any questions you might have. I want to get you in this truck, guys, so let me know what you think. I appreciate your time as always, and have a great week out there.